Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to look at how to create a simple Node.js project. So if you are a student or a working professional who want to learn Node.js from scratch, this video will help you, I hope. And yeah, so I am also a learner. So if I am making any mistakes throughout this video, you can share it with us in the comment box. It will be helpful for me and for the users who watch this video. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm in a Windows machine right now, so it will be slightly different in Linux machine. You can simply type one or two commands and you can install Node.js inside a Linux system. I will be giving that commands in the description. So in Windows systems, go to the Node.js official website to download Node.js. Just type in nodejs download. You will get this website, and just click on this Windows installer and download the installer. And after the installation, I'm using VS Code as my IDE in this video. So it is a really lightweight application. Most of the developers use this inside the Windows. So to download VS Code, you just need to go to VS Code official website and you can simply download it for free. So after that, you just simply need to create a new folder. I will name it as node project, and you should import this in your Visual Studio Code. And after that, the first command you need to do is just click on this icon here. It will bring up the terminal in the bottom, and after going to the terminal, just type in npm init and flag of -y. So it will simply create a package JSON. This is the file where all the metadata of our Node.js project will be saved. Nothing to worry about, just name, version, description, our entry point, scripts, keywords, author, license, and all the dependencies and all the packages that we use inside our Node.js project will be tracked here. And after that, you just simply need to install a package which will help us to create a Node.js server, which is Express. For that, you need to type in this command npm install Express. Okay, now our node modules are here. All the dependencies we install and all the node modules are inside this folder. So a package log JSON will also be installed, will also be created here. It is simply used to make sure everyone working on a project uses the exact same versions of our dependencies. So after the creation of this thing, whenever we hit the command npm install, the npm will automatically take all the versions from this file. So it is basically used to make sure all the team members in our project are working on same versions of our dependencies. So after this, you just simply need to create the entry point of our Node.js project. Here the entry point it is named as index.js. So before that, we need to add one more key here, which is type. There are two types of Node.js projects. One is CommonJS and Module.js, the other one. And the CommonJS is a older version of the Node.js projects. I strongly recommend you to follow Module.js, and both of them are fine. So all the old legacy projects will be in the CommonJS. It will have slightly different types of importing and exporting of files. So I use Module.js. So after adding this, just simply create a entry point for our project, not a folder, a file, index.js. This is our file. You just need to import Express here and create a new object from that Express. This express is actually a function. It will help us to create an object. This object will give us all the necessary functions that we need to start a server. So to start a Node.js server, we need a pod to run our Node.js project. For that, simply you need to create a variable port 3000. Here I'm using an uppercase because all the constant values in our project will be named in an uppercase. It is a convention. So after that, we have our app, so you need to simply call the listen function inside the app object. So it will take basically two arguments. One is port and the other is a callback function, and we can simply console whether our application is running or not. Here console.log server is running on port. Okay, that's it. Now to run this application, you simply need to type in this command node and dot, because you don't need to specify the file name index.js, because in node will automatically detect our index.js, because basically indexes are the entry points of generally an entry point of an application. So if you are creating a file with a different name, you need to specify the file name, like server.js or anything like that. So in this case we have index.js file, so that we'll simply type node and space dot, just click on enter. Now we can see our server is running on 3000 port. So that's it. That is a simple express node.js application. We can do so many things inside this using this app object. So we will get to see another features in another video. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment it down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.